Hello everyone, here is another video for your viewing pleasures. Is this old vacuum cleaner. I don't even know the brand of it, it's so rusted out. What I'm going to do is I'm going to test it with the new switch. The switch is on the on position, plugged into the cord, and I'm going to probably go find an outlet down there. So, meanwhile, let's get the cord to the plug. As I suggest using that one because I think it's on its own breaker. I could be wrong. Okay, make sure that's in reach. I think it's on its own breaker, so if the breaker pops, I don't think I'm going to be short and losing power in the house. Move that down some. What I'm going to do, well, I'll just take the camera with me. I was going to leave the camera by the sweeper, but let's just go plug it in. So either going to blow or pop. I added the switch bypass because the old switch was bad, so there it goes. Don't have very much suction though. But the switch is working, so thank you for watching. If you have a comment, please leave one.